You see the zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out feature. It's pretty cool. So it's pretty bright. I like it. So we're gonna go check this out. Let's see. It's pretty bright. It's got some good brightness to it. We're gonna take it outside into the dark and we're going to show you exactly how bright this thing and exactly how far this will throw in the darkness. So this is the VASTFIRE weapons light. You can mount it on your rifle. So let's go check it out. Let's see how it looks outside at nighttime. You ready? Here we go.